Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video we will continue the configuration of the A-LDAP server. So here we can see that the first needed is to be Active Directory, which is done. And we need to create some users. So user 1, 2, 3, 4 and a guest user. And here I have already created them and it's very easy. So to create a user, here go to users, new and user. So user 1 and again user 1, next. Okay, because it is already there, so we can't change the name. So next, and choose the password. So as in this document, the password is this, but you can take any password you need. So password and then next, and it will create it. And the next thing to do is create these groups, the odd group and the even group. Creating a group is the same. So creating a group, the same, new and group. Give it a name and okay, and then we can add users to it. So this is not needed here, so delete. So user 1 and 2, so we can user 1, we can check what groups is member of odd. So user 1 is the odd and user 3 is odd. Member of odd. 2 and 4 are in the even group. The guest user, no group. So properties, member of only guest. So the next thing to do is the guest user. Okay, configure LDAP to be a DNS server for the alpha side. So we need to check here. This is DNS. So you need to install the role DNS role, and when you are done, it will look like this. So this is my LDAP server. So I have added some machines here that we will do throughout the course. The next step is to configure the install and configure the NTP server for the alpha services. So okay, to that is, so we're back here. We can go to, first we go to the services to run services MSC. We need to check that the Windows time service is running automatically. This service, so is startup automatic. So this is the first step. The next step is to configure. So we need to go to the registry here. So run again, rec edit, and here we need to check this. So back from the start. So HKey local machine, system, current control set, services, and then here W32 time and time providers. So double click this and NTP server. Here we need to check this enabled. It should be 1 here, and 1 means enabled. Click OK, and then back here to the config, and here we need to check this flag, announce flags. This means that Windows will announce it itself as a NTP server, and it should be 5 here. Okay, next step, we need only to restart the NTP server. So here we need cmd and net stop to time. So we stopped the server and we start it again. So start So now our server is an NTP server. So back to our paper here. So now we are done with the LDAP server. So in the next video, we will check the ADMZ. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.